name is Jeff Rodrin with AeroVironment here at the World Ag Expo as we unveil our product Quantix and AV DSS for the agricultural market. We're really excited to be here. It's our second year at World Ag Expo, and we're here with our Quantix and AV DSS products to my left. We've developed these products over the last several years, building on our legacy as the #1 drone provider for the U.S. military, to offer to growers a robust, easy to use, and simple solution for collecting aerial imagery on their schedule when they need it. These products build on the past of what we've done for the U.S. military. They have a integrated camera system to ensure that you get repeatable, accurate results every time you fly. And with AV DSS, we offer you an automated solution to collect and process that data, providing and turning in the camera images to actionable intelligence, as we like to say. It's not just a drone system. We offer the full solution from start of the mission, start of the operation of collecting imagery, all the way through to processing the data and viewing the data through a website. As we launch off and stand up our products, we're looking to build a dealership network across the country. We're really excited to bring in these team members to move the products forward and provide our customers with outstanding customer support and experience. We are offering a unique, I think, background in terms of coming from a military pedigree and a standing power over 40 years of history as a publicly traded company, to offer a trusted partner that's going to be there as we move forward and launch the drone and aerial imagery revolution for agriculture. As we move and start launching these products, the dealers will be able to participate in the upfront equipment sale, along with a recurring revenue stream from data renewals. Year after year, our growers will see tremendous value in our data products and renew over time to ensure a historical context and database for their solution and their farm, along with additional analytics that will provide more insight into their farms. I think it's a very exciting opportunity for dealers to participate in that recurring revenue stream along with us as we move forward.